Amtrak's California Zephyr normally travels across Colorado en route from Chicago to Emeryville near San Francisco. But when its normal route across Colorado is closed for maintenance and repairs, it is rerouted across southern Wyoming. We are going to see this on my layout today. That's coming right up. Hi, I'm Roy Smith. Amtrak discontinued its Pioneer service across southern Wyoming 21 years ago in 1997. Amtrak said it had to discontinue this service because of insufficient funding. There has been no regular scheduled Amtrak service anywhere in Wyoming since then. As I said a moment ago, the California Zephyr normally crosses Colorado on its way from Chicago to San Francisco. However, it is rerouted across southern Wyoming when its regular route across Colorado is closed for maintenance and repairs. Today, the California Zephyr has once again been rerouted across my layout, as you will see. Amtrak gives very little advance notice to its passengers when it is about to reroute this train across southern Wyoming, although passengers may receive an email which says, "We want to let you know that due to track work being performed by the Union Pacific Railroad, train number 5 will be rerouted between Denver and Salt Lake City on your date of travel. The train will travel over the historic overland route which runs through Wyoming. This route offers unique high prairie vistas." This news delights some passengers who would like to see a different part of the country, but it disappoints others because the mountainous route across Colorado is more scenic than the route across the high plains of southern Wyoming. Moreover, the California Zephyr makes no station stops between Denver and Salt Lake City when it takes the Wyoming route. The train stops for crew changes along the way, but I believe passengers are not allowed to get off the train. Amtrak closed all of its stations along this route long ago. Amtrak can even no longer use the space, at least in the past, at the Union Pacific's depot in Green River, because the Union Pacific turned over this magnificent structure to the city in 2013. Amtrak had leased space in this depot from the Union Pacific until 1997, when it discontinued its passenger service across southern Wyoming. Sometimes you see a Union Pacific diesel running at the head of Amtrak trains. I'm not sure, but I can speculate why this might be done for several reasons. A UP diesel could provide additional power to the train if needed or in case the Amtrak diesels fail. Amtrak often leases freight locomotives on a short-term basis in order to get the job done. A freight diesel at the head of the train might also provide additional protection to the passengers in case of a head-on collision with a freight train. Or it may be done simply because the Amtrak train is running on tracks owned by the Union Pacific. I don't know why this is done, but if you know, please be sure to tell us in the comments section down below. Well, I for one wish Amtrak would restore its regular service across southern Wyoming. I would certainly take that train, but I see no likelihood that Amtrak will do that. So I guess we will only be able to see the California Zephyr running across southern Wyoming on my layout. As always, I would like to invite you to subscribe if you're here for the first time and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes on this channel. I try to upload a new video every Saturday morning. Until next time, thanks for watching. Happy railroading. I will see you again very soon.